So recently I've talked to you guys a lot about how you guys can add print to your business and kind of do some of the things that you already been doing. Well, I got some products in that I had got printed locally, and now I got printed from one of the vendors I showed you guys. And I'm going to jump right into it and show you guys what I got, just to update you guys on things that I'm using for the business and everything like that. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And in this video, we gonna jump into the graphic design hustle right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this, guys, all the time. Yes, I mean all the time. All right, man, I gave you guys the resources, my top 3 resources for the graphic design hustle. All right, and first and foremost, that is Graphic River from Envato, right? That is the place that makes Placeit, different things like that. I got a link. I'm gonna put it down in the description. I'm affiliated with them, but I haven't really kind of worked with them at all because I wasn't doing it at the time. So I'm gonna reach back out, and that'll be a link down there for you guys to get a little referral credit for myself at no extra cost to you guys. Again, a place that you need to use, because I'm talking graphic design for non-designers. All right. The second place, Got Print, okay? If you don't have a business license, resale certificate, any of that stuff, Got Print is what I find to be the best place to print. And then they have a sister site for you guys who are professionals, who have your business license, your resale certificate, all of that good stuff. You can sign up for printograph.com, which is where you get that. You get a whole nother price. And I'm going to give you some price on the stuff that I got purchased right here in a second, all right? And then the last, which is the third one, I'm going to group those two together. The third one is 4over, which is trade.4over.com. You need a business license for that. Great plethora of things that you can get printed. You'll be surprised, from wall decals to floor decals, all of that stuff, banners, dirt cheap. Check some of the recent videos that I had on that stuff, the live or the dedicated video, and you guys can get that stuff. So today, for the boutique, we actually did some hang tags, which are these things right here. They look like business cards. These I got printed locally. I think I got 100 for like 25 bucks from my local guy. I can pick them up pretty much the next morning. That's why I use them whenever I'm in a pinch or in a bind or I need to sample something. I go there and get a small number. Now, these cost me $25, and I had to punch holes in them myself. So we had to take and order a hole punch. Ooh, I have it right here. We had to take and order a hole punch, and we had to go ahead and use the gun here in order to go ahead and make the little hole in order to tag them onto clothes like such. Okay, you can find these over on Amazon. I might put a link to them down in the description as well. No big deal. But once you are ready to go official, right, you got it all designed. I had made some tweaks from this, some minor tweaks that I made, and it is very, very important. So I said these cost me $25. Now I have 1,000 of these with a better gloss, with the better finish. All right, open this package up. The colors are slightly more punchy, a little bit smoother of a print from these guys, and it's a lot thicker than what you see here. You can kind of see the difference on the screen right here, right? This is the green. This is the ones I printed locally. It's not a big deal, but looks a lot better, a lot cleaner of a graphic and everything like that. You can see the difference there. Now, these already come with the hole punched on them. All right, so now I don't have to have Jada, who was trying to find her way out of this work from punching these, like, I got a job for you, punch holes in these, right? So she's like, I don't want to do this, I want to do something else, blah, blah, blah. But you got to do the jobs that got to be done, and here's an example, right? So now we go to Got Print. All right, if I was to order these on Got Print, these 1,000 of these is $44.04. I'm going to pop it up right there. $44.04 plus the shipping method of my choosing, which is around $9, $10, depending on how fast you want to get it. And you could go up to $20 for next day air, whatever the case is. So think about that. So let's just say $55 for 1,000 of these shipped, where locally I did 100 in a bind for 25 bucks. Now, if I take this over and I go over to Printograph, I'm gonna pop it up here. I paid $37.09 shipped for 1,000 of these. Literally for 37 bucks again and 9 cents. Popped it up right there for you guys. So this is something that you can take in turn and you can mark this stuff up. You know, you can double your money, you can triple your money, 4 times your money. You can figure out where you want to be pricing wise and you can offer this stuff to your customers. Now, for you guys out there who've been asking, there's some people out here with some great tutorials on Photoshop, like my man E from Garment Creations and what he does. There is some other people out here, my man Rich, he has some tutorials on different things like that. A lot of people out here have tutorials. Now, what I do on graphic design, or what I do on graphic design software, that is I kind of finagle the system. I put a lot of effort and time into learning the things that I know. And then once I learn how to do everything from scratch, I streamline my process by using Graphic River and only using a very, very select few tools, because most of the work and the concepts and everything has been done for me. So if you guys want to see a Photoshop for non-designers course, you guys want to see a Illustrator for non-designers course, I need you to show me some love, hit that like button right now, go down in the comments and let me know that you want it, and I will get working on that. This was something that I wasn't going to do, but now that I'm back in my graphic design bag, I'm doing a little bit of artwork here and there, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I use, bro, when I tell you guys I simplified the whole thing, I probably use about 10 tools when it comes to doing anything that I've designed in the past, right? And that's because it's like 10 ways to do the same thing. Hey, can you cut this background out for me? I started with the eraser tool, then I learned how to use the mask and do different things. Like I've been there, I've done all of that, and I can show you guys how to streamline it. If you guys want to see that from me, I need some love down in the comments. Let me know down there. And if you guys want to go ahead and add Graphic Design Hustle to your stuff, just subscribe if you haven't already. Pay attention, because I'm just going to keep dropping videos on stuff that I'm using, everything that I'm using here in the store. I'm just going to bring you guys content on everything that is needed and that I'm using throughout this process, because it's important for you guys to see the things that you can use as you grow. And when you get there, you'll be able to look back at this content and understand, hey, I don't know how to do this, but I think Stan might have had a video on blinds, or Stan might have had a video on hang tags, and this is, you can pick a different size, you can do it however you want to do it, you can do anything that you want to do. And I just wanted to bring you guys this content to show you guys I'm really serious about the stuff that I know, man. I'm not hiding the plugs, I'm giving them away to you right here in this video. You don't got to guess how much I paid for this, it's already right here in the video for you guys. This has been your boy Stan Banks, showing you guys how to add graphic design side hustle to your t-shirt business. Peace.